Hi guys, welcome back to Autos and another video on the Proton Satria GTI. Today we're going to be doing a little engine service on it. Probably hasn't had one for a few years because it's spent most of its life done, to be honest. So we're going to be putting some nice Shell Helix Ultra 540 in it. Obviously changing the oil filter, putting a set of spark plugs in it, and a new air filter. And then this one's going to go off this bodywork. So we'll be losing it for a little while. But let's get cracking. Right, so first of all, I think we'll start with the easy bits. We'll change the air filter. So that is in there, there's the air box there. So we're going to have to remove part of this, it looks like. I think that's the air filter actually there. So we'll probably have to remove this pipe, pull this out of the way, and we can put the new air filter in it. Anyone who's interested, that is the part number, if you've got one. So yeah, I might time lapse a lot of this, guys. It might be quite boring for you to watch me wrenching away, but let's carry on. Okay, so got the air filter in, that was easy enough. Now we're going to do the spark plugs, which are under there. So with a 10mm or a Phillips head, we can take that cover off and see what's underneath. Now usually I would do the spark plugs one by one or take the leads off one by one so you don't get mixed up. But these are so close in length to where they're meant to go that I think I'd have to be quite silly to get them in the wrong place. If you can see what I mean, you can't get them in there. So obviously best practice is doing one at a time so you don't cross any plug leads, but I think we'll be all right this time. So I've got all the plugs out. Now the car was running pretty well, to be honest. I didn't notice any problems with it, but these are getting a little bit sooty, a little bit black. I think it's probably down to doing a lot of short journeys, you know, running on cold start a lot, running a little bit rich and not getting a good clear out. So we'll change these out. I've got a new set to put in. Okay, so now we've got the spark plugs in. I think it's time we done the oil change. So we've got new oil filter here. That is the part number for anyone who's interested. And we've got the rather posh Shell 5W40 somewhere. It's over here. There we go, so we'll be putting that in it. So first things first, we'll get the engine warmed up so we can get all the crud to come loose and get the oil a bit thinner so we can drain it out nicely. So we'll start that up and I will come back to you in probably about 10 minutes, but it will be about 20 seconds for you. Okay, so that's our engine nice and warm now. It's been running for about 20 minutes or about enough time to drink a cup of tea. So we'll get this jacked up and drain the oil out of it. got a nice new oil filter for it. Man filter, there's part number. Now the oil filter is located right down here under the now hot exhaust manifold. So we'll unscrew that and fit the new one. That's the oil filter. Actually, I don't think that's as new as I thought it was. It's looking a little bit rusty around the edges. So I think we well overdue a change. Right, so that's about it on the Proton. It's just a little freshen up today really, a bit of an engine service. Definitely wanted an oil change and certainly a set of spark plugs. But apart from that, it's in pretty good order. So there's nothing really wrong with it. So it's not the best car in the world for content really, because my sort of stuff I tend to try and repair bits and pieces and diagnose faults, but there isn't actually anything wrong with it. So it's general maintenance, which I'm sure you've all seen before. But this one is going off to the body shop now, so I'll lose it for a couple of months. And when it comes back, who knows what the plan will be for this car. You know, whether I'll sell it or whether I'll use it for some other videos, maybe some journeys, high